How to increase screen timeout in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and then scroll down, and here see the option display and brightness. Click on display and brightness. After clicking, scroll down, here see the option auto lock. Click on auto lock, and here you can increase your screen timeout 5 minutes, 4 minutes, 3 minutes, 2 minutes, 1 minute and 30 seconds. And you can select a never, then you can lock your phone with side button. It will never lock your phone automatically. So I can select 2 minutes and go back to home screen. So my phone will be locked after 2 minutes without using. So this is the way to increase screen timeout in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.